2020, and I will now presenting about ELC 151. For the first, I will explain about initiate and contribute to group. It is appropriate language function to initiate discussion. A language function explain why some say something. For example, if you are teaching a class, you will have to give an instruction, like giving instruction, and is the language function, it requires certain grammar. There is wide range of language function, but for this video they are using guessing, which is one of language function. The words they use is have you guys make a decision on which university you will choose.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYAKIRIN by ARAZMI. My metric number 2020821104. I am from RSR 1132A. I will tell about negotiation words. Firstly, alternative. Alternative is a noun. It's used for the other option. Next, amplify. It is the verb. Its meaning, expand or give more information. Next, arbitration. This word is noun. Its meaning, conflict that is addressed by using a neutral third party. Next, bargain. Its mean, try to change a person's mind by using various tactics. Fourth, bottom line. Its meaning, the lowest one is willing to go. And the last one is collective. This word is adjective and it means together. These all are example for negotiation words. And next is prompting and turn talking. In this side, you must have speak and ask, conjunction, phrase for agreeing or disagreeing, asking for and giving the opinion, filler for pause, avoiding interruption, tendency over inquiry. The example conversation that use this is, have you guys made a decision on which university would you choose? Well, I agree with your opinion, but how about choosing universities at a lucky chain? Next, yes, I agree with your opinion. If university is a strategic place, there will be no problem to find transport. And the last one is, it is quite clear that we also need to look at facility as well as university selection. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is MUHAMAD HAZIM by TARMUZI, metric number 2020-463688. Now I want to explain about the phrases to make a suggestion that have been used in video C. Number 1, we have giving your opinion, which is first, they have been used I think. Number 2, in my opinion. And number 3, how about doing, choosing or going. Second, we have agreeing with opinion, which is number 1, I agree. Or we can look at the picture. They have used I strongly agree. For polite disagreement, in the video they have used I don't quite agree, and number 2, I'm sorry but I have to disagree. For reacting to a complaint, one of them used the phrases, it looks like all of you are rejecting my opinion. And for asking about the opinion, you can see in the picture they have used do you agree with me. For thoughtful words, one of the candidates in the video is I'm sorry before rejecting the opinion to avoid any offense. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is RUSYAIDI. My matrix number 2020812318. For this slide, I will be presenting about the expression to give opinions that I found in the video. The first one is, in my opinion or view. For example, in the video, in my opinion, university with good facilities can help with the development of students' learning session, and it also can help the lecturer with the teaching tools. The second one is, I would like to add my point. For me, for example, in the video, I would like to add my point. For me, a good local university is must well. It is because the background of the university are also important. The third one is, as for me, I think, for example, in the video, as for me, I think the reputation of the university is important. This is because it will affect our employability in the future. And the last one is, from a point of views, I still think that, for example, in the video, from a point of views, I still think that where the university is located is the more crucial part, as it will be very helpful for students. The next one is expression to agree and disagree that I found in the video. The first one is, yes, I agree with your opinion. For example, in the video, yes, I agree with your opinion, Aisha. If the university is in strategic place, there will be no problem to find transport. The second one is, that's right, I agree with your opinion. For example, in the video, that's right, I agree with your opinion. If we do not choose a good reputation university, we will do not know the background of the university, whether it is good or not. The third one that I found, I strongly agree with that. For example, in the video, I strongly agree with that. Without good facility in a university, it will be hard for students. And the last one I found in the video is, I do not quite agree. For example, in the video, I do not quite agree with fees. Although the fees are important, there are a lot of ways to find the money. That's all for me. Now, I will pass to my group members. Thank you.
For the next is closing words and strategy. When you want to ending your sentence or conversation or presentation, there are many ways to closing, such as, that's all from me, thank you. This is the simple way to closing, but sometimes they can closing by repeated their introduction but changing some words to look it like an ending, and it's called bucket close or callback close. From this video, it is look like they are repeated the same thing from their topic and closing with thank you. The words they use is thank you for your contribute into this discussion. Next is evaluate, summarize opinion, words and strategy. The strategy is, when you evaluate and summarize opinion, you explain the main ideas from someone else's work. Note that you must include citation information for summarize. Think of your citation as showing your reader where they can find the original or full version of the work that you have evaluated and summarized opinion. From the video, the word that they're using is, I would like to add my opinion. And lastly, conclusion, words and strategy. Strategy is giving an opinion. The words they're using is should be taken into consideration to conclude. That's all for me. Thank you.